Open NexLev Niche Finder dashboard. Use it as your control center to quickly scan channels, keywords, and growth opportunities. Start with AI-picked channels and trending keywords. Look for repeated topics, effective content formats, and recent engagement. Use these signals to identify ideas people are actively watching and searching for. Next, apply advanced filters. Focus on channels with lower subscriber counts but high view rates. Add recent activity, then refine by language, upload frequency, or time frame. Keep it to 3 or 4 filters for clearer results. Now open the Custom Keyword tool. Enter a seed topic and explore related phrases, long-tail keywords, and search intent. Target consistent demand with lower competition. Try angles like "For Beginners," "On a Budget," or 2026 Update. Save promising channels and organize them with folders or tags such as High View Rate, Low Competition, or Test Soon. This creates a clean shortlist for future content ideas and benchmarks. If you haven't purchased Niche Finder yet, use the link in the description. You're now ready to choose, validate, and test stronger YouTube niches.